Hey guys, happy Sunday. So we are dressed and ready. My phone is looking very dark, but we are going to Savannah Park for T20 cricket match. So this is how I'm dressing. Oh, this top, I'm in love with it. My friend got this for me when she went overseas. I'm just in this little jeans and sneakers and our bag. We're gonna head out right now because I'm very late. I did have on a little makeup and stuff like that. So this is a fit. This is a vibe for a cricket match. And then we may go out to Isle of Souls after. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, loving the fit.
No timing, boy. No timing. Some coffee ice and the ice will melt.
It's been a while though.
It's been a minute.
It's been a while. All right.
What's up guys? So I have been on the road from morning shopping. Let me turn off the AC. Yeah, so I just bought some accessories, earring, bracelets, and I bought a sandals. I totally forgot to vlog. I got those in Brit brand. I actually wanted to do a little haul. I'll probably show you guys what I'll be wearing. It's after 4 o'clock and I need to wash out the stuff. So when I get home, I'm gonna wash those and hang them up because I'm going out of town tomorrow, Friday. And then of course we're gonna pack today. So need to head to the supermarket to just get some snacks, juice and stuff for the weekend. So after that, head home and start packing. I'm actually still working now. It's just after 4 o'clock. Yeah, so that's the vibe. Link y'all when I get home. Okay, I am in the supermarket. I'm not gonna lie, because my hair is so tight, my forehead keeps coming out. So I know I showed a little bit of my hair. I did my hair today. I was at the salon. I did the full hairstyle where you have braided, half braid, and the curly hair at the back. I think I did tell you guys about this, and this was my plan to do my hair for the holiday. I am in love with it. I haven't worn curly hair in so long, and trust me, I'm gonna start wearing back curly hair because this style, it hits. So the goal for this entire weekend is wearing gold. Got it? Anyway, so I just got some gold accessories. This is like a bracelet looking like a knockoff Pandora. I don't even know if you guys can see because it's so dark. This, and I got 2 earrings. This leafy one is so cute. Y'all know, if you know Brit brand, they always have affordable accessories. You know, they won't last, but it's good for the purpose of the event. And I got this. So 2 earrings and a bracelet. I already have bracelets already. And then I needed gold slippers because, like I said, that's the vibe I'm working with. So I got this strap up gold slippers. Very, very affordable. This is like $2,000 or something. $2,000. So yeah, that's the only thing I got from Brit brand. Everything else, we're gonna wash them right now. Good morning, y'all. It is August 1, so happy Emancipation Day to us Jamaicans. I am here packing, okay? I didn't video anything last night. Remember I told you guys I went to the games night. I did. Yeah. And then we did go somewhere else after, but got home like after 4 a.m. in the morning, and I am up working and packing at the same time. It's moving on to 11 o'clock, and yeah, really need to hurry up and get this packing going. But I've lined out everything, all the clothes for the event, shoes, bags, that's the makeup. Ooh, makeup. So I need to pack my makeup bag and set it on the bed, and then we're ready to go. So let me spin around the camera, show you guys what I'm working with. Yeah, so this is everything: sleep clothes, swimwear. This is for Friday nights. This is for Saturday morning. This is for Saturday. Like, I literally have 3 dresses for Saturday morning, but more than likely I'm gonna wear this one because it's very cute. And this is for Saturday, and the swimsuit is for Sunday, and we're leaving out on Monday. And these are underwears, y'all don't need to see that, and just regular clothing. Have everything here except the makeup. I'm literally bringing 4, 5, oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 shades, 6 shades, which I know I don't need. It's 3 bags, and we're literally wearing gold accessories, so everything is just gonna be gold bag and gold shoes. I did bring a nude shoes and a black sandals. Gotta have the fan, it's summertime. Some skincare here, lotion, body wash. The perfumes are in here in the Shein bag. Set all gold jewelry in this. I'm not sure if you guys can even see, it looks dark. Wipes, and then what's missing is makeup. Put that away. Something. Gotta have a mirror. And yeah, we're gonna literally pack these up ASAP because my ride wants to leave out at 1 o'clock. I'm not driving. All right, let's get packing.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love.
Alright guys, I am heading out. Don't mind this, it's actually raining and my drive is outside, so I was bringing my bags back and forth, so I'm kind of wet. But yeah, I'm ready to head out of town, have a little mini holiday, which I need, and some fun, because I have not had any vacation or went anywhere since the start of this year, and the year is close to the end. So I'm super happy that I'm just doing this to just, you know, go out and have some fun and see some of my friends that came down from foreign too. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching this vlog. I'm gonna head out to the toll. I'm just praying there's no traffic on the toll so we can just get down there in a decent time. It is 2:15 now, so we should get there by 3:30 thereabouts. Well, pending traffic when we reach Ochi and all of that. But later, guys.
Show me the color when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before.
Are in Ocean Rio. So
That is in Jamaica.
got
Why, ma'am?
So got food at Touches. We're gonna go to our Airbnb right now. So I will catch you guys there. Appreciate you for watching this vlog and cheers to a fun weekend.
I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, maybe when I take it, oh.